Before you judge a man by his politics, ask what his hands have built. Before you repeat what you heard online, ask what the facts actually say. And before you call for the destruction of a Haitian business, remember how hard it was to build one. Tonight, new generation show says
Chef Creole can be boycotted.
Not because we must agree on politics, but because disagreement should never erase contribution. Oh, oh, oh. Master Chef can build it brick by brick. Years of sacrifice you can't erase quick. Long nights, hard work, pressure and pain, building something our community could claim.
You don't have to vote like I do,
but your ballot and your voice are yours too. Disagreement doesn't erase what you've done. Freedom means respect for everyone. Chef Creole se fiete kominote. Yo non Haitien qui porte drapeau. Don't tear down what took years to build, because somebody's vote wasn't what you will.
nunca para comer, nunca respecté. Parles en détruit. Chef Creole nous camper.
Pour travail, pour service, pour communauté.
Chef Creole dans nous.
Nous pas quitter pour l'idée diviser nous.
You can disagree,
But don't erase a lifetime.
Chef Creole, Chef Creole.
Haitian pride everywhere we be. When workers needed help, they showed up. Food on the table when times were tough. A business is people, not just a name. Families, workers, dreams in the fray. From one location to a bigger dream. That's Haitian success more than it seems.
Progress, qualities,
Who works there?
we get back to the truth.
Before you call for a boycott, pause. Check the facts before you cause. Criticism is fair, voices can rise, but don't destroy based on lies.
Accountability goes both ways. That's what we build, not just what we say.
Chef Creole nous camper. Pour travail, pour service, pour communauté.
Democratic comité, tout début tout. Your vote belongs only to you. Nunca pas d'accord, n'engel respect.
Division pas mener nous loin.
Fyète nous, c'est business nous.
Stop,
Stop it down,
verify.
think.
A rumor spreads fast, but truth takes time.
We don't destroy,
We build, nous besoin bâtir, pas craser. Nous besoin vérifier, pas répéter. Check me en pile,
Chalalou,
Jalunion,
fais la force.
Chalacham business.
Nous supporter.
Chef Creole nous camper.
Chef Creole nous camper. Pop to leave the bills.
Don't destroy where free meals. Respect the word. More community, one voice, one movement.
Chef Creole nous camper.